Yet another non-tax revenue source of government is special levies. What are special levies? These are the special surcharges or charges put on specific commodities. Understand there are certain commodities whose consumption is not only harmful for the health but also for the well-being of the human beings. The commodities like wine, opium, drugs, tobacco, similar sort of intoxicants. Now, these kind of commodities, when a human being or citizens consumes, it creates a very bad effect on their health and well-being. So, in order to discourage the consumption of such kind of commodities, what government does? It adds heavy amount of levies under the banner called as special levies or special charges. Now, very purpose of these special charges on these commodities is not to earn revenue, but to discourage the consumption of such kind of goods or commodities. Understand, if government puts extra charges or special levies on these commodities, naturally the price of these commodities will be higher. Naturally, lot of people will get discouraged to buy such a costly products. Hence, the purpose of putting special levies is not to make revenue, but to discourage the consumption of such commodities. So, in nutshell summary, well, commodities like wine, opium, drugs, tobacco or similar intoxicants are harmful for the health and well-being of human beings. In order to discourage the citizens of the nation, what government does? They put extra levies or extra charges on these commodities. Naturally, putting extra charges on these commodities, the commodity become costlier and there is some amount of discouragement in buying costlier products. So their consumption has been reduced. So the very purpose of putting those special levies is not to earn revenue, but to discourage the consumption of such kind of commodities.